That's pretty dangerous. Now give that, please.
Wait, if it's dangerous, why am I going to give it to you?
Can you please give that to me?
Why?
Because it's bad or dangerous.
It's bad and dangerous?
Yeah, now give that back.
Why would I give it to you if it's bad and dangerous?
Please?
You're a child.
I am.
So why do you think you need this?
It's doing trash. I don't like that. Now give to me.
Are you going to put it in the trash?
Uh-huh.
What did I do to this? What did I do to you with this?
Because you, that's dangerous. Very dangerous. And it's hot.
It's not hot.
Yes, it is.
Feel it. It's cold.
No, it's not cold. Silly? Stop it. Right. Oh! Stop it! You're driving me nuts! Help me! Slower.
It's Earl Grey.
I know! No, give that!
What?
That's dangerous!
You want the Earl Grey?
Yeah!
What are you going to do with it?
Don't put it in trash! Don't give it!
I dropped it.
Now, put your down. I'm going to do it to you.
No.
I'm
Yes.
gonna do it to you. You did it 8 times.
Fine.